Welcome back to the Himalayan Java Basketball League presented by NEBA and powered by Himalayan Java. र यहाँ फेरि पनि कन्भर्ट स्कोर सामाकुसीको 4 points भइसकेको छ and 3 points. Prashant Dos Maske, निकै नै emerging player from Royals. Back to Robbie and Maske को यो 3 points and थपिसकेका छन् यहाँ सुजनले. सामाकुसी तर्फबाट कर्मा पनि गेममा आइसक्नु भएको छ. And he converts. Fazal ko pass yo. And he converts. Binod Maharjan ko yo राम्रो ball driving. यहाँ आशिषलाई pass. आशिषको राम्रो fake र यहाँ 2 points convert. And very smooth. And he converts. यहाँ others को यो 2 points. And यहाँ राम्रो स्टिल थियो प्रशान्त दोस मास्केको and he converts. What a प्लेयरहरू assist को लागि भने आइदिनु भएन. And others यहाँ र यहाँ राम्रो स्टिल लगेका छन् र यहाँ Susan driving in. र यहाँ शुभम आउने बित्तिकै कर्माको पास सुरजलाई सुरजको पास आदर्श र यहाँ 2 points. Fast break coming. Ashish Boston on the ball and he converts 2 points. Vikram Dango and आदर्शको राम्रो स्क्रिनिङ थियो र बलमा र यहाँ he converts. Ashish Boston बलमा Robbie Powder को 3 points bang. Suraj Lama and he converts. Yeah, wow. And यहाँ आदर्श Subham Sanju free throw line ma and he converts. Last free throw shot. र यो पनि कन्भर्ट गर्न सफल and he converts यो बल पनि र यहाँ 2 points कन्भर्ट गर्न सफल र यहाँ प्रज्वल and what a great finishing. That was something. Vikram Dangol and 1. Wow. And he converts. यहाँ पास को लागि खोज्दै सुरज लामा कर्मा and he converts. Spandan ko 3 points bang. Fast break coming. Robbie Powder and he converts. What a great finish. Maske ko 3 point prayas pheri pani and bang. What a great shot. Live from Kirtipur Cover Hall, everyone. And he converts. Masker free throw line ma. And he converts. Air ball going to fast break coming. Suzan and Suraj and Suzan he converts. Basketball ma. Maske को सुजन यहाँ 2 points कन्भर्ट गर्न सफलको लिड रगिरहेको छ आदर्श and he converts 2 points. प्रज्वल को यहाँ विनोद रोयल्सले 5 points को लिड लगिसकेको छ and 6 points. Prozol driving in. And he converts. And Prozol driving. And he converts 2 points. Vishal Gurung ko yo. Very pani Vishal Gurung. Vikram Dangal ko yo. 3 points. Prashant Ghosh Maske. Ramra screening by Binod. And he converts. Prozol. Vikram Dangal. Ramra fake थियो यता. And he converts 2 points. Vinod Mahajan. And Vishal Gurung. Fast break coming. Robbie Boda. And Vishal Gurung. Suraj Lama driving. And he converts. Vikram Dambol. Prozol driving in. So yeah, Ramru passed the others and he converts 2 points. So yeah, 4 points go lead by Samagusi. Yeah, Vinod Mahajan got 2 points. Raya Suraj 2 points. Suraj Lama. And he converts. Maske ko yo 3 points. Bang! Maske power dribble गर्दै. Robbie Potter ko yo. Match is getting very exciting. And he converts. Maske, Vinod Mahajan. Roya had 2 points. Prozol driving in. And Suzol, he converts 2 points. Yeah, Vikram Dangal got 3 points. And he converts. Yeah, Robbie Powder from Royals got 4 falls wide goes off. Ramro defense from Samagusi. And Vikram Dangal ko ball login. यहाँ 2 points convert गर्न सफल भयो. यही सँगसँगै Samagusi 6 points को lead लगिसकेको छ. And Prashant Ghosh Maske र Prozol को pass यहाँ Vikram Dangalलाई and Vikram Dangal converts 2 points. Samagusi 77 points on. यहाँ Suzol 2 points convert गर्न सफल. Vinod Mahajan को 3 points attempt and he converts. Driving in and he converts 2 points. And he converts. And he converts. Versus Royals, Samagusi 10 points को lead लगिरहेको छ. यहाँ Vinod Mahajan Prozol on the free throw line. And he converts. Vinod Mahajan को यहाँ great fake and he converts 2 points. Robbie Potter, Vinod Mahajan को यो 3 points convert गर्न भने असफल. यहाँ प्रशान्त घोषको राम्रो rebound र 2 points convert